Energy stored in the capacitor with dielectric. Consider a capacitor of capacity C0 with air as a dielectric between its two plates. It is charged to potential difference V0 by a battery. Charge flowing through capacitor Q0 equals to C0 into V0. Energy stored in it is U0 equals to half C0 V0 square with air. Initially air is present. Whenever air is present, energy is stored in the capacitor formula. Very Now, a dielectric of dielectric constant K is introduced between the plates. Two cases arises. Without disconnecting the charging battery, with disconnecting the charging battery. First case, without disconnecting the charging battery. So supply is there. Right now, a dielectric slab is introduced without removing the battery. Capacity of the capacitor increases by K times. With dielectric capacity C equals to K into C0. C0 is the capacity of the capacitor without dielectric. Potential difference between the plates of the capacitor is V equals to V0. Potential difference remains constant. Before inserting the dielectric, after inserting the dielectric, potential difference between the plates remains constant. Actually, what happens? Initially, potential difference decreases to V0 by K after inserting the dielectric constant between the plates. Afterwards, the battery supplies additional charge. So, potential difference increases to V0. Potential difference increases to V0. Energy stored in the capacitor U equals to half CV square right now with dielectric. C equal to K into C0, V equals to V0 square. Take out the common K, U equals to K into half C0 V0 square. Half C0 V0 square equal to U0, energy stored in the capacitor without dielectric. So after inserting the dielectric, energy stored in the capacitor increases by K times if the charging battery is not disconnected. Case 2. After disconnecting the charging battery, there is no supply, it's not supply. Capacity of capacitor. Dielectric slab is introduced, battery supply is not there. Capacity of the capacitor increases by K times. Charge on the battery Q equals to Q0 only, no other way to flow the charge outside. Potential difference between the plates of the capacitor is V. Is V equals to V0 by K. Battery is disconnected. There is no supply from outside. After inserting the dielectric, potential difference decreases by 1 by K times. Energy stored in the capacitor in this case. In this case means after removing the charging battery. U equals to half CV square. C K times K into C0. V equals to V0 by K. U equals to half C0 V0 square by K. U0 by K. Here in this case, energy decreases by 1 by K times. After disconnecting the charging battery, a dielectric slab is introduced between the plates of the capacitor. Energy stored in it is decreased by 1 by K times.